The armed forces of the Russian Federation.
Militer Rusia mengklaim meraih kemenangan besar dalam operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov tanggal 28 Juni merilis serangan yang diluncurkan pasukan Dirgantara Rusia ke pangkalan kelompok Azov Nazi di Kharkov dan salah satu batalion Brigade Infanteri Mekanik ke-92 yang dikerahkan di dekat Pokotilovka, wilayah Kharkov mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 100 prajurit Ukraina, tentara bayaran asing dan hingga 15 kendaraan lapis baja dan bermotor. Pasukan Dirgantara Rusia meluncurkan serangan udara presisi tinggi di Hanggar dengan persenjataan dan amunisi yang dikirim oleh AS dan negara-negara Eropa di pabrik mesin jalan Kremenchug. Serangan presisi tinggi telah mengakibatkan netralisasi persenjataan dan amunisi buatan Barat yang terkonsentrasi di area penyimpanan untuk dikirim ke kelompok pasukan Ukraina di Donbass, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Dari pihak Kyiv, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 250 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 35.250 tentara Kremlin meninggal sejak awal invasi. 217 jet tempur dan 185 helikopter Rusia dihancurkan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina memasuki hari 125 konflik. Belum ada tanda-tanda konflik berakhir.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Successful joint actions of Russian troops, units of People's Militia of the Donetsk and Lugansk People's Republics caused critical losses of the armed forces of Ukraine. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at a base of Azov Nazi group located in Kharkov and one of the battalions of 92nd Mechanized Infantry Brigade deployed near Pokotilovka, Kharkov region have resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian servicemen, foreign mercenaries, and up to 15 armored and motor vehicles. The low training level of the Ukrainian citizens mobilized for being involved in the operations and foreign mercenaries increasingly causes friendly fire. Recruits who had come for replenishing the personnel of 97th Battalion from 60th Infantry Brigade suffered a mortar attack from their units. A similar situation occurred in 28th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, where foreign mercenaries launched a fire attack at a reconnaissance group of the above-mentioned unit. This attack has resulted in losing 4 servicemen dead and 3 wounded. Russian Federation Armed Forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. On June 27, in Kremenchug, Poltava region, Russian aerospace forces launched a high-precision air attack at hangars with armament and munitions delivered by USA and European countries at Kremenchug road machinery plant. High-precision attack has resulted in the neutralization of West-manufactured armament and munitions concentrated at the storage area for being delivered to Ukrainian group of troops in Donbass. Detonation of storage munitions caused a fire in a non-functioning shopping center next to the facilities of the plant. In addition, Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 2 command posts near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 28 areas towards Lugansk and Donetsk. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in neutralizing 4 Ukrainian platoons armed with Grad multiple rocket launching systems near Leninskoye, Selidova and Dzerzhinsk that had been shelling the settlements of the Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 2 artillery platoons near Kirova, Donetsk People's Republic, and Zaychevskoye, Nikolaev region. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 24 command posts, artillery and motor units in 58 areas, as well as manpower and military equipment in 304 areas. Russian air defense means have shot down 3 Su-25 airplanes and 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Pervomaiskoye, Nikolaev region. 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Dubrovne, Shevchenkovo, Dementievka, Dmitrovka, Kharkov region, Yelenovka, Luganskoye, Troitskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Loskutovka, Lugansk People's Republic. 7 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Stakhanov, Alchevsk, Lozovsky, Lugansk People's Republic, and 10 MRLS rockets near Sukhaya Kamenka, Ternovaya, Kharkov region, Donetsk, Yasenovate, Troitskoye, and western suburbs of Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 218 airplanes and 133 helicopters, 1,382 unmanned aerial vehicles, 350 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,800 337 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 690 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,037 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 3,889 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.